That's me, Sawyer. No, not the one talking, the one you're looking at. Tried to get Morgan Freeman to do the narration, but he won't return my phone calls. So I hired this guy to do it for me. Think I got enough fresh air. Guess I'll check on my brothers. Stepping in from the cold, I see Robin's eating his lunch. It's that time. Not sure what to do for my hungry brothers. They are always hungry. They never stop eating. Leave it to Eli to throw some inspiration my way. I'll make a grilled sandwich. A mean grilled sandwich. The kind of sandwich you would order at a restaurant. Yeah, I'll teach you how to make it. It's fantastic. I start out with Texas toast. Now that's important for this kind of sandwich when I toast it. Make sure you have all the fixings. I use deli meat, chicken, ham, a slice of American cheese, and a slice of cheddar. Then for extra flavor, Parmesan cheese. You'll see what I do with it. Now this part's important. Melt butter while the bread is toasted. While I wait for the bread and butter, I'll give Eli a kiss. Well, he dismisses me as usual. Then I'll take a jab from Ron.
You got the coochies.
He meant to say cooties. Don't worry, he loves kids.
You want a sandwich?
Eli's impatience
You always want
is
it.
adorable.
You like Mikey.
Now the butter and the bread is ready.
That takes some skill. Patience. Tolerance.
After the Texas toast is toasted, I dip each side of the bread in the butter to get them nice and soaked up. Then I add the Parmesan cheese. How much you sprinkle is pretty much your preference. I like to add a liberal amount. Now the cheese. Put a slice on each toast. Then comes the deli slice of chicken. Then the ham.
Skill me and I'm born with this skill. They had to practice it. You know?
I love this Foreman grill. It makes my sandwiches top notch.
Yeah. Like you want to beat me up. You see your brother?
Yeah. Sawyer.
Patience is a virtue. Good things come to those who wait. Now the patience of Job. Know who Job was?
Probably don't have to do this, but I like to flip the sandwich over a few times while it's in the middle of cooking.
You know who Job was? No? Job was this guy in the Bible that God let the devil just totally destroy his life. The devil said, look, I'll make you an honorable servant, Job, curse your name. God said, you can do whatever you want to him, just don't kill him. He took his wife, his kids, his finances, everything. He gave him boils from head to toe. He still didn't curse God. And God gave him everything back sevenfold. So instead of having one wife, he had 7 of them. You get right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Voila, after some patience, lunch is fully grilled.
Uh-huh.
If you like a toasted, buttery, cheesy lunch that is easy to make and pleases your younger siblings, then this is perfect. It makes me feel like a paid culinary genius. And it was simple.
You good?
Yeah, look.
As you can guess, I made success.
Who made that for you?
He is so hard to please.